Hey, what's up guys? So in this video, we will see how to check the warranty on the Samsung Galaxy A26. Now to do that, just open the web browser app on your smartphone. Now in the search bar, just search Samsung. Now from here, just open the Samsung website of your country. Now from here, just tap on this icon. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on promotion and discount. Now from here, just enter your details. Now in this section, just enter your first name. And from here, just enter your last name. Now in the email address section, just enter your email address. Now once you enter your Gmail address, just enter your phone number. Now once you enter your phone number, just select I have read and agreed to the privacy policy and also check this option. After that, just tap on submit. Now from here, just select speak with expert. Now just wait for a few seconds. Now from here, just type I want to check the warranty of my Samsung phone. Then tap on send. Now as you can see, they have replied. Now from here, just enter your IMEI number. Now to do that, just go to your home screen and open the settings app. Now from here, just scroll down and tap on about phone. Now from here, just tap and hold on the IMEI number over here. Now once you copy the IMEI number, just go back to your web browser app. Now from here, just paste the copied IMEI number over here. Then tap on send. Now as you can see, they are asking, is this the IMEI number of our smartphone? Now as you can see, they have replied. They are asking us to wait for a few moments for them to check our smartphone's details. Now as you can see, they have replied and they have sent us our smartphone's warranty end date. Now from here, just ask to check the warranty start date. Now as you can see, they have also sent us our smartphone's warranty start date. And as you can see, our smartphone's warranty start date is 16th of May 2025 and our smartphone's warranty end date is 16th of May 2026. And this is how you can check the warranty on the Samsung Galaxy A26. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to get notified when we upload a new video.